Like that, there are perfect square numbers, and we can find square root of those numbers easily. Now, here we want to talk about the numbers which are not perfect square. For example, you want to find square root of 10. Square root of 10 is what? Now, if you see between these are two consecutive perfect square numbers, 9 and 16. And between 9 and 16, how many numbers are there? After 9, you have see 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then 16. 16 is on the other far end, 9 is at this end, right? So you want to find the square root of 10. This is very close to, it should be very close to 3, right? In fact, it is not even midway, right? It's not even midway between 9 and 16. It's very close. So square root of 10 should be, we estimate it approximately, it should be 3.1 or 3.2, 3.1 or 3.2. This is our estimation. But in many cases, you are asked to find the square root of these non-perfect square number up to 3 places of decimal. So let's see how we do it without using calculator. Okay, so we are not going to use calculator, and we would take this number, and this is fun. In fact, that's a very good exercise. So what we're going to do is just write 10 there. We want to find the square root of 10. And after we know it's not a perfect square, put decimal. And in finding square root, you can increase as many pair of zeros, because after decimal, these zeros has no meaning. So you can increase as many as you want. Okay. And before decimal, we pair up digits. So this number is 10. So before decimal also we pair up. So this is just one pair. Now 10 is the number before decimal, and we go like we just explore our perfect square. We know 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, which is more than 10. So we'll not go 4 times. So what we are doing here, square of 3, 3 times 3, 3 times 3. So square of 3 is 9. Okay. And here we write 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Now subtract. 10 minus 9 is 1. Since now we will extend our exercise beyond this decimal, so put decimal up there in the numerator. Bring down this pair of zeros, it becomes 100. Add these two numbers, 3 and 3 is 6. Now there is an interesting turn. Now to figure out what digit next we should write, what we do is we just take away one digit out of here. Take away one digit out of here. What is left? We are left with 10. How many times 10 is divisible by 6? 10 is divisible by 6 just one time. So write 1 here. 1 time and 1. Then 61 times 1. If you write 1 here, you write 1 here also, right? You are writing 1 3 times. 1 1 1, just like you wrote 3 3 times. 3 3 3. Yes. Now add these two numbers. 61 plus 1 should be 62. Let me first multiply. 61 times 1 is 61, and subtract. This is 10 minus 1 is 9, and this is 3. Yes, 39. And bring down this pair of zeros. So 2 zeros comes down. Again, the same thing as we talked earlier. We just take away one digit from here and take away 2 digits from here. Then you have to play with 6 and 39. How many times do you think 39 is divisible by 6? 6 6 is 36. It goes 6 times. Yes, cannot be 7. So 6 6 is 36. That means what you are going to do is you are going to write a 6 here. You are going to write a 6 here, multiply it by 6. You write 6 6 here, you should write 6 there also. So 66, 6 to 6 times 6 to 6 times 6. Now 6 6 is 36. Yeah, 6 2 is 12. 6 2 is 12, and 3 is 15, and 6 is 36. 36 and 37. 3756. 3756. Subtract. And this number is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 8 minus 7 is 1. Bring down this pair of 0. So 2 zeros comes down. Add these number. 6 plus 6 is 12. And 2 plus 1 is 3. Let me write it little to the left. 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 632. To guess what should be the next number, what we will do is we would just take away these two numbers from here. 3 and 2 is taken away. And three numbers, one more than the number you take away from here. That is, guessing rule that makes the calculation simpler. So 6, and if you take away 3 digit from here, you are left with 14. How many times 14 is divisible? How many times 14 is divisible by 6? You say, okay, 2 times because 6 2 is 12. So we get some idea. It's 2 times. So write a 2 here. Okay. Let me clear this. Okay, 2 times. So if we just figured out 2 times, so write a 2 here, 2 here, 2 there also. Now 2 2 is 4, 2 2 is 4 again, 3 2 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 12 6. Now let's see, subtract it again. This is 6, this is 5, 13 minus 6 is 7 and 1. Add these number. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 is as it is, 3 is as it is, and 6 is as it is. And well, you can take down a pair of zeros. 2 zeros coming down. Did you write this 2 up also? Yes, 1 6 2 3.162. Yes, 2 is written. Now you see these numbers here. You can take away these 3 from here and 4 from here to guess, right, how many times. So if you take away 3, you are left with 6 and you are left with 17 here. And you know that this is divisible how many times? 6 3 is 18. So it's more, only 2 times. So it's a divisible 2 times. So you write a 2 here. Okay, let me take away this line here, not needed, yes. All right, 2 times 2. One more 2 there. And then 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4 again. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Subtract. Always subtract it and add these numbers. So you see 2 2 is 4. 2 plus 2. 4 is as it is. 2 is as it is, right? This 3 is as it is, and 6. Like this, we can continue forever and ever. It will never terminate. But we want to find out the 3 place of decimal. So did we write this 2 up there? Let's see. Yes, one more 2 we should write here. It's up to 4 places, 3.1622, right? So the square root 10, yes, yeah, 3.1622